My name is Udit Agarwal. We are at Emory University campus, and I'm actually a cardiology fellow, getting trained to become a cardiologist. I'm also a doctor, so I see patients as well. Originally, I'm from India. I come from a business family. We have a factory actually back in India, so that's how the maths is coming in the picture. Used to participate in a lot of singing competitions. We play cricket a lot. Back in India, children are growing with the mentality that either you are going to be an engineer or a doctor. To be a doctor was always a dream. As soon as I got into that field, I really liked it and started thinking in that way that, okay, I will be a doctor. So my goal personally at present is basically of course to cure heart diseases. So we have hoods where we do a lot of cell culture, we have incubators. We can actually create conditions which are actually very much similar to what happens in a disease state after a heart attack. These are cardiac stem cells which we are trying to deliver in humans now. Actually, it's going under a clinical trial, this project. It's going to be a first ever clinical trial in America on children, especially in terms of cell therapy and delivering it in the heart patient. We are a bunch of close to 10 people. The vessels acquired by
and then normalize it to unit area.
In a power field, right?
Yeah, you could do that, or you could do sort of number of small vessels versus large vessels.
Mm-hmm. All of us are from various backgrounds, various places, and we kind of gel pretty good. People are very much helpful.
Have you looked at your lab notebook today?
No, because I don't even know where it is.
Oh, well, I guess you could look at mine. Or you could
There's a lot of fun also going on in the lab at the same time, a lot of social activities. As a doctor, I never thought that I will be a scientist. I initially thought that maybe it will be something different compared to what other doctors are doing. All right, because back in India there is not much of a research, but when I was exposed to so many opportunities here in America, it was marvelous, and the interest actually grew. There was so much to achieve to treat these patients, so that was one of the driving forces, which actually motivated me to join a PhD program and become a scientist. The career in medical research is challenging, there is no doubt. If people say that it's a long career, it is a long career. But it is very rewarding. Research is always rewarding, provided it works. It's just that you become a part of something which has never been discovered. That itself is very much thrilling. Just to think about it. If you have discovered something, you are the first person who is doing in research. It itself is very thrilling. But at the same time, you are contributing towards the society, towards the community. So suppose, your research leads to a discovery which is very much beneficial to the human population, and that research is going to be extremely fruitful for you. You will feel contented with your life.